Hi, here's a short introduction to the readings for Thursday. On Thursday, we're going to continue our work on ecosystems health and focus on biodiversity. The first thing that we want you to do is to take a look at the reading called the Global Biodiversity Outlook. This was a project that was started the beginning part of this century to establish goals for protecting biodiversity and even enhancing biodiversity. They laid out a strategy from 2011 to 2020. This document was produced halfway through. It describes, it kind of gives a report card of where things are at. Read pages 9 through 22. In those pages, you'll start out with a description of some of the important goals and the actions that we can take in order to achieve those goals. And then near the end, you'll see essentially a report card on how things are going. So come to class with the understanding of what the big issues are and how much progress we've made in the past few years, and how does it look like, to what extent does it look like we're going to make meet the goals that we established in 2011 when 2020 rolls around in 2 years. The next thing we want you to do is to take a look at the video, which concerns a huge threat to biodiversity, and that is the hypoxic zone in the Gulf of Mexico. Which brings up the question, what is hypoxia? What's a hypoxic zone? And why would we in central Illinois care about it in any way? Because, that's a long ways away, thousands of miles, probably 1,500 miles away. So who cares? Big deal. Some fish are dying. What's the issue? The next thing we want you to do is to take a look at the short video on biomimicry. Now, biomimicry is a really cool idea. We're going to spend a portion of the last section of the class focused on biomimicry, but it's also connected to this portion of class with respect to healthy ecosystem functioning. So come to class with an understanding what it is, and then for the last assignment, we'd like you to actually bring a picture of something to class that was inspired by nature but built by human beings. A picture of something concrete inspired by nature but built by humans. That's what we'll do on Thursday. Looking forward to seeing you then.